What is your rate? So I just received an email from a client, and the first question and only question in the email was, what is your rate? And as a consumer, there's so much more that you want to know about a lender and when choosing a lender than just the interest rate. Here's a few things to consider about shopping for a mortgage and making sure you put yourself in the best position to win. So rates change daily, sometimes multiple times a day. We've had over a 1.5 point swing in rates over the last 52 weeks. So when you get a quote over the phone, it's just a moment in time. But even worse, it may not even be the correct quote, because so much goes into, are you self-employed? Are you paid hourly? Do you have variable income? Do you qualify as a first-time home buyer? Do you qualify for a program that has a discounted rate? What's your employer? Do they have incentives? All these things go into pricing out a rate. And when you're just getting a rate quote over the phone, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to get the information that you need. More importantly, outside of rate, you need to know what that lender is going to do to help you. Are they available weekends? Are they going to pick up the phone? Are they going to work with your realtor? Do they have a track record to be able to deliver on the promises that they're giving to you? All those things play into whether or not you want to work with that lender. Rate is important, but I think once you break down everything, rate's going to be pretty similar from lender to lender. What's going to matter is what your monthly payment's going to be, what fees you're going to pay, and then also, is that lender going to be able to help you get that offer accepted? I see, the same outcome is not going to happen for every lender. If they're not available on the weekends and updating pre-approvals, they're not going to be able to help you out on the weekend to get that offer accepted. Your realtor's not going to be able to get a hold of them. So are you really saving anything? Probably not. So think about that when you're shopping for a lender. In my bio, there's actually a link to the 10 questions you should be asking a lender when shopping for a mortgage. Definitely reference that. There's some great info in there. Take advantage of that. Be a smart consumer. Ask more than just what is your rate, and make sure you put yourself in the best position to win in a very competitive housing market.